Hi everyone, I'm Abbe Scharaga with Bump Club and Beyond, and today I'm joined by Barry Cik, founder of Naturepedic, and his son and co-owner, Jason Cik. Since 2003, Naturepedic has proudly supported parents with safer, healthier sleep options for their little ones. Their certified organic crib mattresses and sleep accessories give parents peace of mind without compromise. As a parent of an 11-month-old who currently sleeps on your certified organic breathable 2-stage crib and toddler mattress, I truly appreciate and rest easier knowing that she's sleeping on a clean, hygienic, and organic mattress.
Yeah, and Abby, the truth is, that's really what we're all about here at Naturepedic. We're really focused on the health and safety of our children. Most people don't realize this, but a baby will spend up to 16 hours a day on their crib mattress. That makes it the one item in your house that the baby will be in contact with the most over the course of any given day. And most people don't realize that a typical crib mattress contains toxic chemicals because of the lack of regulations on materials that go into consumer products.
Well, and that's why we're so glad to be here with you all today to get a tour of the factory and understand the love and thought process that goes into all of your products and these crib mattresses that our prized possessions are sleeping on.
Let me share something that helps explain this. The Consumer Product Safety Commission inspects mattress factories, especially for baby crib mattresses. And they were here a couple years ago, and there were several of them, and at one point, one of them stops. And I'm basically quoting, he says, "This is the first factory I've ever been in, and I cannot smell any chemical smells whatsoever." And I look at him and I say, now you know where you are.
So tell us, Barry, how and why did you start Naturepedic?
Close to 20 years ago, my wife sends me to a baby store to buy a crib mattress for our first grandchild. I walk into the store, and to make a long story short, it's toxic chemicals, from the vinyl to the foam to everything else. And I'm talking to the salesperson, and I say, "What else you got?" And the response was, "This is the way they make it. If it wasn't safe, it wouldn't be permitted to be sold." And that was my moment of truth, and I went home and I said, "Oh my God." I'm a board-certified environmental engineer. So I know those chemicals. And I'm certified by the Institute of Professional Environmental Practice. I'm a certified hazardous materials manager. I'm an author of a textbook for government institutes. I'm aware of these issues.
Yep.
And that's what caused me to react.
Yep.
Abby, we would love to invite you behind the scenes into our factory to see how we make our breathable organic crib mattresses.
Awesome, let's do it. Thank
do
you
it.
so much. Naturepedic's factory in Cleveland, Ohio is a GOT certified organic factory. Not only are their products handcrafted in the U.S. with domestic and imported fabrics and components, but they don't compromise on safety. Since their inception, Naturepedic has been on a mission to eliminate toxic chemicals from mattresses and bedding. Chemicals can be a tricky topic since they're not visible and much depends on levels of exposure. However, the harm can be catastrophic as these chemicals interact with our body's natural chemistry in unpredictable ways. Rather than argue about dosage levels and this study or that study, Naturepedic eliminates questionable chemicals from the start. All Naturepedic crib mattresses are GOT certified organic, Made Safe certified non-toxic, Green Guard Gold certified, low chemical emissions, UL formaldehyde free verified, and made without harmful chemicals or allergenic latex or wool. Their breathable mattresses are naturally waterproof with a food-grade waterproofing made from non-GMO sugarcane and have a removable, washable, breathable cover. A healthier alternative to conventional fabrics and foams, Naturepedic uses organic cotton grown and certified in the U.S. and purchased directly from USDA-certified sources. Many of Naturepedic's workers are skilled Amish craftspeople who take pride in their work, paying special attention to every detail. You can rest assured knowing that your bed was crafted by people who care. The organic movement is all about health and the preservation of our natural world. Naturepedic supports this movement because they believe it's a positive force for the betterment of our lives and the lives of countless generations to come. We all have the power to affect change with the simple choices we make. While there's an inherent cost to choosing organic, it's ultimately in our best interest and well worth the time and effort. At Naturepedic, they go the extra mile and don't cut corners. They buy their materials from trustworthy sources, build their products with care, and stand behind them 100%. Now let's dive in and show off some of the finished products, including one of our favorite products, the certified organic breathable 2-stage crib and toddler mattress, which is the only crib mattress on the market that is certified organic, breathable, waterproof, and allergy friendly. So now that we've taken, a peek behind the curtain, I'd love to dive into some of these products and showcase all of these amazing features.
So first, let me just remind you the reason why we have a breathable mattress. What's the point of a breathable crib mattress? So among several benefits, the two main ones are if the baby rolls over to be face down, they can breathe through this surface indefinitely. Now, you should always put your baby to sleep on their backs, but at about 5 months or so, all babies will start to roll over, so that's just an added safety feature. The other thing is it just helps to reduce sweaty backs and makes the baby more comfortable. It's essentially like creating a bubble of air 360 degrees around your baby.
And we know that the cooler a baby is, the better that they're going to be sleeping.
Exactly. So how do we do this uniquely, differently than anyone else does it? So this is so cool. This cover just comes right off really easily, and underneath it, you have a fully functional organic crib mattress. And there's another layer of waterproofing right on the surface of the mattress. So you kind of have a double layer of waterproofing. This cover is waterproof, but just in case, nothing will ever penetrate this mattress core. That's really important because anything that gets inside this mattress core could grow bacteria, and that could end up introducing another danger to your baby in terms of mold growth that they would be breathing in.
Right.
So it's critical for your mattress to be waterproof. We really believe that here. Additionally, the waterproof material that's on the surface of this mattress actually meets FDA food contact standards, which is kind of a mouthful, but what that means is that this surface is approved by the FDA for eating food off of. It's that non-toxic.
So not only are we sleeping in bed, we can eat in bed knowing that it's approved, right?
Right.
I mean, we're not gonna be, but that's how clean and pure all of this is.
Yeah, hopefully no one's eating in bed, but that just shows how pure the surface really is.
Yeah.
And that surface is actually derived entirely from sugarcane. So it's a natural waterproofing.
I love that this mattress also features a 2-stage design, so that firm infant side and a cushion firm toddler side, so I know I'll be able to use this mattress for years to come.
Yeah, absolutely. So one side is firm, the other side is a little bit softer. It's not soft,
Like a cushion
but
firm.
it's a little bit softer. So what you would do is you'd start when your baby is a newborn on the firm side, and then roughly around a year old, you can flip it around, and they'll have that slight more cushion for extra comfort.
But still waterproof on both sides,
Absolutely.
still safe for sleep for any age until they outgrow this crib.
Yep, waterproof on both sides. So the mattress core also is assembled using heat sealing technology instead of sewing. So the problem with sewing is that when you have a thread that's holding all of these layers together, if that thread breaks, it can unravel throughout your mattress, causing the mattress to fall apart.
Come apart.
Yeah, much earlier than it's supposed to. So we actually heat seal all of our seams around this entire mattress on the inside, just using heat. And so what that does is it forms like a hermetic seal, right? So nothing is getting through that seal in or out, and it's completely waterproof seal, and it doesn't have that issue of the unraveling. So it's extra strong as well.
So it's got this durability that'll last me the entire time I need it for my little one, from 0 to 2 or whenever I move her out of the crib.
Exactly. Another really cool feature that we do is the lightweight version of this mattress actually has edge support completely around it. So does the innerspring version, but innersprings normally have edge support. It's something very unique in a lightweight mattress to have that.
What is edge support?
So edge support is just the perimeter of that mattress is really super extra firm. So that's important because if your baby is like jumping or standing right on the edge, their feet can slip off the edge of the mattress, and it's kind of it can be an entrapment hazard. So I mean, these you cannot.
They're not smushing that down.
I can't even squeeze it down.
Right.
So
that's great. And so with all of that in mind, then we talk about how is it supposed to properly fit in the crib.
There are standard sizes for cribs, and it's very important that the crib mattress fits nicely and fits without air gaps. So you don't want to be able to put 2 fingers between the mattress and the crib edge.
So as we're talking about all of these safety features and how it should properly fit in the crib, can you talk a bit more about the firmness that we're looking for and how that helps aid in safe sleep?
Sure. So a crib mattress is supposed to be very firm. All the doctors will tell you that. The CPSC will tell you that. It's not like an adult mattress. That's not appropriate, and it's not helpful for a baby. So we definitely make our mattresses very firm on purpose. And it's also safer because the baby's head can't sink into the mattress. So
It prevents suffocation, essentially.
Yes, of course. So.
And then additionally, with this firm, flat surface, are there other objects we can have in the crib with baby? What is the best safe sleep practice here?
Okay, very good question. So it's not a good idea to add anything other than what the baby needs clothing-wise.
Or these wearable blankets now that are even safer, so they can't get loose around the baby.
Right. You don't want a pillow that, God forbid, could end up on the baby's mouth. You don't want things like that. So
no toys that can
toys.
Have loose ends that baby can eat or anything like that.
Correct. You want to keep you have to keep it so the baby can always breathe, and there's no question about it.
Absolutely. As a parent, we want safer, healthier sleep choices for our little ones, but we're not always clear what the risks are when it comes to crib mattresses. So I want to say a big thank you to you guys, Jason and Barry, for your time here, opening the factory to us to take a look inside all the love and care that goes into the Naturepedic mattresses and how all of these organic products are made right here in Cleveland, Ohio. I totally see why Naturepedic has been leading the organic mattress movement for over 20 years. Thank you to you both for spending the time with us today and welcoming us into your home. We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn all about what we do here.
Yeah, thank you very much. It was an honor.